Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. Two hearts as one, Alhamdulillah. A love so pure, by fate's own hand, forever bound as he had planned. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. He sees her walk beneath the sky, a quiet grace, a lowered eye. His heart repeats, Subhan Allah. This moment blessed, he can't deny. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Two hearts as one, Alhamdulillah. Her smile completes what life began, a dream fulfilled for this young man. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. She looks at him, her heart is still, a promise formed by Allah's will. His calm, His care, His gentle way will guide her soul through night and day. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Two hearts as one, Alhamdulillah. His voice her peace, His word her vow, a love that only faith allows. Alhamdulillah. Now side by side, their souls align in faith, in love, in Allah's sign. With every breath, their hearts will say, Ya Allah, bless us every day. They start a home of light and prayer, with warmth and laughter everywhere. Through every test, through all that's new, their hearts remain forever true. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Two hearts as one, Alhamdulillah. Through every joy, through every tear, their love grows stronger year by year. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. Two hearts as one, Alhamdulillah. Forever joined, their souls will stay in Jannah's light, their wedding day. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. One love, one way, one love, one way. One home, one stay, one home, one stay. Heart's true faith high, heart's true faith high. Alhamdulillah.